About
And just like any, can you bring a camera into a casino, sir?
a casino would be private property. So let me explain to you. Let me educate you really quick. So casino would be yeah, sure, no problem. So casino would be a private business, correct? It's private. It's owned by a company, a person. They can make their own rules and everything of that nature. Would be a public building owned by the public. I have freedom of press. It's under the First Amendment, which you took an oath to uphold. Not as a journalist, but
I took an oath to uphold the freedom of
the Constitution. Yeah, that's for sure. You didn't know that? You didn't know you took an oath to uphold the Constitution of the United States?
I took an oath to protect and serve, yes.
Yeah, it's to uphold the Constitution of the United States, sir. That's correct. You did take an oath to do that. At least you should have. And
what school do you go to?
What school did I go to?
Yeah, what school do you go to?
What school do I go to?
Yes.
Oh, I don't go to any school. I'm independent.
Okay.
That means that I work for myself. It's my business. I do it myself.
So you're an auditor? Is that what you're telling me?
I'm an independent journalist. Independent journalist, yeah.
Okay. Like I said before, I'm asking you to leave. Are you refusing to leave?
Yeah, can I speak to a supervisor? Because this is a public building. I have every right to be here just like anyone else in this building that has right to be here. The only difference is that I'm holding a camera.
Oh, okay.
Oh, the deputy? So you guys are with Omaha Police, and you said the deputy of the county is coming?
There's a Douglas County deputy that's coming here.
So there's a sheriff's office. I'm sorry, I'm just trying to get a understand. There's sheriff's office, and then there's the police. So sheriff's for the county, and then the police for the city. Gotcha.
You don't.
So why don't you feel comfortable with a camera? You have one on you, and there's cameras, like you said, there's cameras everywhere, right?
Because you could be scoping the place out to rob the place. That's why.
But couldn't I? If don't you think? Listen, I know you. I don't know if you've been a law enforcement officer for a long time or not. 20 years. So you were a journalist, and now you're a law enforcement officer. So now you've been a law enforcement officer for 20 years, and you're still an officer, right? You're not a supervisor or anything. So you're not an investigator or anything. But I would say that just, I'm not a law enforcement officer, but I would say if somebody wanted to scope out the place to do harm or commit a crime, I would suspect that they would do so in secret, right? That they would secretly record. They wouldn't openly record, right? They wouldn't just say, let me draw the most attention to myself possible so that way I can stake this place out and come back, tell you my name is Sean. I'm on camera. I'm not hiding my face or anything. Does that make any sense? It doesn't. It really doesn't.